Good afternoon. My name is Thaneeru Rohan from Vardhaman College. I had made a website related to the civic problems in the Indian society for the Riktam technologies, which they had given me a state of problem that a person had to upload a picture of any civic problem and upload the picture in a website so that website admin can access the picture and try to publish the picture to the newspaper so that your problem what you have seen in the society will be getting spreaded all over the public and your problem getting solved. So this was the model and the problem statement which had given in the exam. So I had developed a website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the front end, and back end I used PHP and SQL. So you can see this is my home page. You can see welcome to the Indian Civic Solutions. I had provided this home page. You can see here. So this is the home page, and this is the social media links you can see here. So coming to the code of the home page, I had used HTML and CSS and little bit of JavaScript for this home page. So you can see here the HTML and internal CSS also. You can see the internal CSS here and little bit of JavaScript also used. You can see the functions here, JavaScript functions, window boxes also. You can see window dot open. So these all things and little bit of functions in the JavaScript also I used. So this is the home page. After completing about the home page, I will go to the about us page. You can see about us page. In this about us page, it will try to describe about our website and what our website is and how it is useful to the customer. So you can see all these things. So these all things are mentioned in the about us page. Then coming to the contact us page, you can see the quick contact so that the person who doesn't want to register or who doesn't want to log in, who directly want to contact with admin or who want to contact quickly with the admin. So for them, I had made a quick contact so that he directly enter the username, nothing but name, his email and his number. So those all those details and little bit of description. If you click on submit, it will directly send it to the admin of the website. The database is the all the whatever the content you have written, those all content will be stored in the database so that the admin can directly see your problem. So this was the contact us page. For quickly contact, I had made this, and this is the about us page. After about us and contact us and home page, coming to the login page. So I had made a about us contact us page code. Also, you can see the about us contact us HTML files, about us files, about us CSS, contact us CSS, cascading style sheets. Those all things you can see here. I had made using Visual Studio Code. Then coming to the login page, so this is the login page. So I had provided an authentication that any other new user cannot enter without performing the registration form. Like if I take a random name and give a random password, it will show you that incorrect username and password. Nothing but it takes an authentication. Nothing but it directly doesn't allow without registration. It will check your data in the database. If the database getting matched with your username and password, it allows you to enter into my website. So you can see here the sign up button. If you click on sign up button, you will see the sign up process. I will give a name of mine. I'll give a name of mine and I will randomly give a username of mine and create a password from me. You can see if you click on sign up. So I'm sorry. It comes enough. So your account has been created successfully. In the just now you have seen that something has came. So it was nothing but I had already mentioned the data in the database, so that's why it doesn't given. Now you can see your account has been created. If you want to create another account, you can also create the another account like giving another name like username. You can give any username like you can directly mention the numbers. Anything username, it's up to you. So click on sign up. So you can see your account has been created successfully. After creating your account, you can directly sign up into your account, directly log in into your account. Like this is the username I just now created, and this is the password I had entered. If I click on login, so you directly enter into the home page, welcome page. Nothing but you can see here, welcome to your account Manish. So whatever the name you had mentioned, those name will be seen here. So if you want to log out from this page, you just click here logout button. You just logged out. So if you want to log in again, you have to write again your username and your password and click on login. You just enter into the dashboard web page. This is the dashboard web page, but here if you want to make a complaint or else you want to make a whatever the picture you have seen, whatever the picture you have taken, you want to upload and write the description, you have to click on the complaint. If you click on the complaint, you will be opening a website. This type of website will be open here. So you can see here. So this type of web page will be open here. So if you want to, you have to upload a file, whatever the file you have taken the picture, whatever the file, whatever the picture you have taken. You just have taken a random picture and trying to upload the picture. If you click on random picture and click on open, directly it will open. And if you mention the location, date, time, and description, whatever the description you have seen, and click on upload, it gets uploaded. You can see here the image is getting uploaded. So your image is getting uploaded. It will be present in the database. The admin of the website will be seeing these all things, and he try to approve your problem to the newspaper in the newspaper. So this is the pages. It was due to low internet. It doesn't load it here. The pages are not loaded due to low internet. I'm sorry for that. So so by this way you just log in and register, and you just go into my website and go into the welcome page. This welcome page, if you want to log out, click on log out. If you want to make a complaint, you click on complaint. You will open a upload page. You have to upload your files, you have to upload the picture what you have taken, whatever the problem you are seeing. You have to mention this problem in the description and click on but this upload button. Your problem gets uploaded and picture also get uploaded here. Then coming to the XAMPP, I use the XAMPP software and Apache server, web server. You are seeing here Apache web server and MySQL database, XAMPP software to run these all things, all web pages. And you can see the database also, PHP MyAdmin. If I go to this, I made a users table. Where in this user tables, I just now seen that a Manish username. I had just now created, as you seen in the video. I had just now created the Manish. So this all database will be present here. Previous database of my name also you can see here. But here you can see the password is getting hidden here. So it doesn't show you the password. So this is how authentication gets worked. And when you coming to the upload, whatever the pictures you upload, you can see in this database. See, you can see the name of the table image. If you click on the image table, so you can see this is the Aadhaar card. Nothing but I just want to show the sample, so that's why I uploaded my Aadhaar card. You can see this. Just now I uploaded my Aadhaar card. So this is how you can upload the image, and you can write the content about what the problem you have seen in the whatever the problem which you have seen in the image. You can provide the content and you just get uploaded. This all the data will be seen here. You can see the data here, image data, whatever the images, whatever the content you write, whatever the usernames, passwords, everything will be stored in the PHP MyAdmin. Then after this is the backend. So when you coming to my code, you can see the files, all the files, login PHP, home PHP. These are all the backend I used. You can see the home page. As you seen your home page, log out and welcome to your account. These all things you have seen now. Just now you have seen these all things. These all things. This backend is in here. This code, all the code is in here. Little bit of HTML is written for and no, a little bit of HTML and more PHP is written here for homepage, because it was not a big process. It was a little bit process. So little bit of session functions are used in the PHP. And coming to the login PHP, you can see the login page also. For login page, you can see the HTML, PHP file also. It is a PHP file. You can see the HTML code and PHP also. You can see here. So these are the buttons. You can see the button tag, login and sign up tag. And coming to the logout also. Logout is a little bit of code. Like there will be three functions. like session start, the session destroy, nothing but once you log in the session gets started. When you click on logout, the session destroy function will be started over. The session will be destroyed, it seems. Then coming to the PHP, here CSS file for, and this is the database. You can see here your name, username, password, SQL database, SQL, all the SQL functions can be, all the SQL operations and functions, and creating of table here, those all things can be seen here. And coming to the main topic, here sign up and login, nothing but authentication. Whatever the authentication I said, that if your username password is getting matched with the database, then it allows you to enter into the website. So this is, you can see here, incorrect username, password, these if else statements I have used. These all if else statements you can see here. These if else statements tell you that if your password is getting linked with the database, it allows you to enter into the website. If not, it doesn't enter. So when we come into the registration form, sign up form, so this is the logic you can see here. And here you can see the variable SQL. So inserting all those username, password into the database, nothing but here whatever the in the PHP my admin you have seen, these all things are entered using this all thing. Enter these things. Using these all things you can enter into these things. So this whatever the data is present here, the backend and the code is, you can see here. This is the if and statements. You can see here. This is the if else statements. If your username and password all is getted, you have provided to the website, then your account will be created. So that is displayed. You can see here header function. Using this header function, it will show you that your account is created successfully. So this is the thing. This is the login page, sign up page, and this is the database page. This is the connection for PHP to the database. So this is the connection file. So yeah, up to this is my website. You can see login, about us, contact, all these things. Contact us page, about us page, login. You can log in, you can log out, you can upload the picture, write the description. So this is all the functions you can see in my website. Thank you for the watching. Thank you for watching my video.